the management and workmen who are working in the shop floor. So with this initiative and this objective, I have started searching for some right program for our team, and I came across Mr. Nirav and his team about the entire training concept. So with a lot of discussion, we have come to a decision that we will start a problem solving tools training for our workmen, for our supervisor and FLL. And with this initiative, we started this 10 days training module, and I can say it is quite successful because as per our team's view and as per our management's view, they have started working on those tools, and we have started getting some benefit from the program. So with this, I would like to thank Mr. Nirav and his team for their great effort, and we will wish them a great future ahead.